in the Kitchen. I'm your host, Jen, and I am solo today, and I'm okay with that. But today we are going to make a wonderful little treat that's going to take very minimal time. It's something to surprise. Would you like to be my guest? We are going to make the gray stuff from Beauty and the Beast, from Be Our Guest restaurant, and from the song. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Well, let's find out. So I have 1.5 cups of whole milk, and I have 1 packet of instant pudding. All right, you're just gonna go ahead and whisk that up until it's combined. All right. You should already start seeing it thicken up a little bit, just like normal Jell-O. All right. Simple. All right. So now that you have whisked this up, you're going to take this into the refrigerator and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let me put that. All right, now that that's in my refrigerator, I'm going to show you. We're going to take 12 sandwich cookies, the Oreos. Really can't say Oreos, but Oreos. There you go. And you're just going to grind them up very fine as you can get them. All right, in a food processor. And then you're going to set that aside. The next thing I did is I made little shortbread cookies. I'll drop the recipe below. It is so easy to do. Just mix the dough up, and then I formed it into a ball, rolled it in plastic wrap, and then I just sliced them and baked them for about 10 minutes. Perfect. They're going to be our little base for our gray stuff. So I will be right back with you. It'll take me probably 2 seconds flat for you, but I'm going to let that solidify a little bit, and then we'll come back. All right, thanks. All right, welcome back. We're at part 2. We have our pudding that is all nice and solidified. Then you're going to take a whole tub of whipped topping, Cool Whip, whatever you want to call it. Make sure it's not frozen. And you're just going to fold all of that together. You don't want to lose the air of the Cool Whip. Alrighty, and then you're gonna add your cookie crumbs. Stir that in. I'm going to put this in the fridge to let it set up again, and then we will present it and eat it. Perfect. See you then. All right, so time to eat, right? All right, so I just have a piping bag here because I want to make everything look a little pretty. I'm going to put some of this into my piping bag. Just a little bit down, and then I have my cookies here. I'm going to start at the end. I think I got a chunk of cookie stuck. That's okay. We'll just do this. Alrighty, here we go. Oh yeah, there was a chunk of cookie. So there you go. Mine is not so gray, but that's okay. It's the flavor that you're going for. So we have our gray stuff because this is what it does, and let's try. Mmm. Mmm. Quick, easy dessert. Need something fun, something for the kids. It's becoming summertime here soon. This would be perfect on a very hot day. Alrighty, well, that's it for Magic in the Kitchen. See you next time.